I don't know if you heard, Kim Kardashian is launching her skincare line on June 21st, and as a skincare expert, I've got some thoughts. Let's start with positive things first. What I appreciate about this skincare line is that it uses actual clinically proven ingredients, unlike some other brands that recently launched that claim that the secret to youthful skin is olive oil. Kim Kardashian's skincare line features ingredients like AHAs, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C. So there's definitely some good ingredients in her line. Her skincare line features 9 products, and on her Instagram, Kim has a video that walks you through her 9-step skincare routine. The main criticism she's getting from her fans is if you want to purchase the whole line, you'll have to spend $630. I'm not going to talk in this video if this line is actually worth it or not. It hasn't launched yet. I haven't tried it. If you are a Kim Kardashian fan and you're planning on trying her skincare line, I'm going to tell you my opinion on the products and what you should try and how to build your skincare routine using these products. In the video that Kim posted on her Instagram, it's not completely clear which products she's using in the morning and which ones she's using at night. The first product Kim uses in her video is a cleanser, which she claims leaves her skin super clean, but it's very hydrating. From my experience as a skincare expert, usually the cleansers either are more clarifying or more hydrating. It's very rarely that you have a cleanser that does both. Because she describes her cleanser as creamy, I assume it's more of a gentle cleanser that's focused on hydration. A lot of the times these types of cleansers also remove your makeup, so unless you're using a waterproof makeup, you can get away with using just a cleanser without a makeup remover. The next product in her skincare routine was her exfoliant. Her exfoliant in the video looked like a physical exfoliant. It wasn't a scrub, it looked very fine. And after using the exfoliant, she applied a toner. Just by watching the video, I assumed it was more of a hydrating toner, but when I went and looked at the ingredients, it turned out it was an exfoliating toner containing AHAs. For a lot of people, using AHA toner on top of a physical exfoliant can cause a lot of irritation. So if you want to try her line, go ahead, but spread the products out and don't use certain products together like shown in the video. The next step she did was apply a hyaluronic acid serum. We all know hyaluronic acid is great for hydration. After hyaluronic acid serum, she applied vitamin C serum, and she mentioned that she uses it at night. As a general rule, a lot of people like using vitamin C in the morning because it gives you extra protection against free radicals that can cause premature aging. I also prefer using vitamin C in the morning as well, and I personally would do an exfoliation step at night because what I teach my students is in the morning your skin is in protect mode. So when you are exfoliating your skin before leaving your house, you're making it more vulnerable to UV radiation, pollution, free radicals, bacteria, and other things. Another quick tip regarding to the order of application. I've noticed that Kim used first a hydrating hyaluronic acid serum, and then she used vitamin C serum on top. Because she used so many actives prior, using hyaluronic acid next and then following with vitamin C is probably what helped prevent redness on her skin. But what I normally would do, again, I wouldn't use all of these products in one routine together, at least not at the same time. And the next thing I would do is I would apply a vitamin C serum first, and then I would use hyaluronic acid serum afterwards. Next product she applied in the video, she used some oil drops and mixed them with her moisturizer. If you have a nice formula of a moisturizer, you shouldn't have to mix it with oil drops. I assume she uses the lighter oil drops mixed in the moisturizer in the morning and a little bit heavier oil at night, because the last step of her routine, she applied oil on top of her moisturizer to lock in the moisture, and then she explained she's using this step at night. For many people, oil is not an essential step in a skincare routine, especially if you have more oily or, as I call it, lipidic skin. If you do like more glow, then if you have more oily skin, I would definitely choose the drops. And if you have more dry or sensitive skin, I would choose the heavier oil. But I definitely don't think you need 2 different oils in your skincare routine. I hope you found this video useful. Let me know your main takeaways from this video in the comments below. As always, have a fantastic day, and I'm going to be talking to you very soon.